Hello viewers, you're about to watch multiple function nano coating machine from Sunny Best Lion Tech International. He'll be showing us how the nano coating machine works. So let's listen to what he has got for us. So Sunny Best, good evening.
Evening, my dear.
You look cute and ready for work.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Also continue.
Okay, I like that. So please, can you tell us how this machine works? Thank you.
Alright, actually, this is a new machine and it's a new technology at large. You know, as we have problem with screen crack all the time and breaking, and as an engineer, I know that there is a need for us to do something in order to prevent people's phones when they fall down, so that it will not get broken as usual. So we bought this machine from China. Alright, it's called nano liquid screen guard protector. How it work? This is your dryers. Okay, the first thing you do, let us install it on this phone and see how powerful this nano machine work.
Okay,
as you can see, the first thing you do, you need to clean the mobile phone, and with the help of this liquid, it's not just a liquid, it's a chemical liquid, like a cleanser. All right, so you apply, just spread, then you open the first one, the cleaner, remove it, scrub all over the phone. You make sure you scrub it very well and remove all the dirt that is on the surface of the screen. Okay, remove it. Then you use the second one, which is called the dry. This second one will dry it. You clean it very well. And you clean it. Good thing about this nano screen guard, liquid screen guard protector, is very powerful. It works like magic. Okay, then the second thing you will do, this is the main nano liquid. Okay, we apply this on the screen. Excuse me. Open it gently, coming, gentle open. Okay, it's open now. Alright, check, just 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cover it. Then use when you cover it, before you rub this on top, you have to wear a glove, because this is chemical. Okay, you have to wear a hand glove in order to protect your hand from this chemical. You know, and be dangerous to your health. So you wear glove so that you rub it very well. Once the glove is on my hand, I can use it. Once it's in my hand, I can rub. You scrub very well. You scrub it very well. Scrub your screen surface. Make sure you scrub it all. Touch all the edges. Scrub it very well. Then the next thing, this machine you see is called the coating machine. Okay, it works like an oven. All right, the way when you do your bread, then you put it for oven for your bread to done very well. So come, in case if there is no light, all right, in case if you don't have light, this is power bank to power the machine. Okay, if there is light, you don't need to worry. You connect this one straight to the power cable. So let's just assume there is no light. You plug this, and this one will receive its power. Okay, then the next thing, you open the machine. Yes, this is the machine. Then you drop your phone inside the machine. Then the second thing, there is something This liquid is called aromatic. Okay, all you do, you draw this aromatic, you drop it too. Okay, you draw it. All right, this aromatic, one good thing about it, you can drop it. Once you drop it, you can use it like 10 phones before you apply again. You can see that this very small hole, you drop it. All right, two things happen here. You close. The first thing, you press the coating area. This one is the coating area. This one is the aromatic spread on top of your screen. Okay, so this is the coating. You press this, you coat it for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you press the aromatic for 6 minutes. That is total of what?
14 minutes.
14 minutes. So let's press. Okay, you press it, you leave it for what? 8 minutes. Okay, you leave it. It's steaming. It's coating the nano liquid on top of your phone now. So it's like it's casting the whole thing on top of the screen. 8 minutes have elapsed. Now we are pressing aromatherapy for the thing. Then you click this for 6 minutes. You leave it for 6 minutes. Then aromatherapy will end. Then we'll remove it. Okay, that is how it works. Leave this after the coating for 8 minutes. Then aromatherapy for. Okay, right now the light have off. The 6 minutes have elapsed. So let's see how our machine works. Wow.
Wow, this
Very
is
cold. Okay, you can see it now. So shine. Use another. Have to clean it very well. Okay. Wow.
wow.
The coating have finally done. You can see the screen. How lovely.
Wow.
Look at how beautiful and
This is
shiny.
beautiful.
Like
So can you
before.
please carry out the experiment?
Yes. Right now I'm going to carry a hammer. Alright? I don't want people to doubt. This is my personal phone. I'm going to use a hammer. This is a hammer. Okay? You can see it. You can see. See. This is hammer. People who says that, hey, it's not hammer. This is hammer on my phone. You can see it. It's still on. Alright? You can see it very on the counter.
Wow.
Imagine how powerful the thing is. Look at it.
Wow.
You can drop. Okay? Look at. Alright? You can drop again. Look at. Okay? Look at. Alright? So, what else did you need? You don't need any proof. See my phone. Look at. Alright? Not that the phone is break. See am. This iron. This is iron. See am. Nothing. So my people, you are
Hello
safe.
viewers, I believe you've seen it all. I hope you've seen China Wonder. Awareness, they say, is life. This is a new nano screen guard in vogue in Makurdi. It is located at Sunny Best Lion Tech Shop at number 6 Kano Street, Makurdi. Come one, come all. Come and guard your phone to save your heart from shock and heartbreak. Or you can call us on 070 60 99 64 56. Thank you very much.